Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about the drug macrolides. So if we see, macrolides are large cyclic lactone ring structure with sugars. They form large cyclic lactone ring structures with sugars. If we see the mechanism of action, macrolides will bind to 50S ribosomes and they will block translocation of peptide chain from A site to P site. They will block translocation of peptide chain from A site to P site. So if we see the drugs, erythromycin is derived from Erythromycin erythraeus. Erythromycin is derived from Erythromycin erythraeus. Then other drugs like clarithromycin, roxithromycin, azithromycin and spiromycin and fidaxomicin. All these are the macrolides. If you see the azithromycin, it is the longer acting and it has no enzyme induction. It is free from drug interactions. Now, these macrolides are, if we see, these macrolides are mainly, they are used as alternative to penicillin. They are used as alternative to penicillin and penicillin resistant patients. So, if we see the drug of choice, the macrolides are actually drug of choice for chancroid, that is, it is a drug of choice for Haemophilus ducreyi and also Corynebacterium diphtheria and Campylobacter. This is also a drug of choice in Legionella, atypical pneumonia, especially in, it is a drug of choice for Mycoplasma and Chlamydia. It is a drug of choice for whooping cough, especially Bordetella pertussis. This drug can be used as off-label in diabetes mellitus gastroparesis because this macrolide, especially erythromycin, will activate motilin receptors. So erythromycin can be given off-label for diabetes mellitus gastroparesis. Then clarithromycin causes prophylaxis, is used in prophylaxis and treatment of Mycobacterium avium complex. This clarithromycin can also be used in the treatment of peptic ulcer. Then we have spiromycin. Spiromycin can be used as drug of choice for toxoplasmosis in pregnancy. Then we have the drug azithromycin. The drug azithromycin, actually it causes Haemophilus influenza, atypical mycobacterial infection. It causes Haemophilus influenza, atypical mycobacterial infection. This erythromycin causes Toxoplasma gondii and also Chlamydia species. So this azithromycin is used for Haemophilus influenza, it is used for atypical mycobacterial infection, it is used in Toxoplasma gondii and Chlamydia species. Now if you see the side effects, these macrolides will cause the following side effects like diarrhea, nausea, vomiting. Vomiting mainly occurs due to the motilin receptor activation, especially by erythromycin. Cholestasis occurs especially by erythromycin estolate. So this erythromycin is contraindicated in pregnancy. It can also cause side effects like allergy and it can cause reversible ototoxicity. It can also cause torsades. It can cause torsades, D pointers and thus increase the QT prolongation. Then this erythromycin can also cause, this erythromycin mainly activates motilin receptors and thus it can cause vomiting and nausea. Then IV erythromycin, it can cause dose dependent reversible ototoxicity. IV erythromycin can cause dose dependent reversible ototoxicity. IV erythromycin inhibits CYP1A2 and thus increases the concentration of theophylline erythromycin. Then we have erythromycin, roxithromycin and also clarithromycin. The drugs erythromycin, rozithromycin and clarithromycin, all these will inhibit CYP-A4, and if these drugs are given to a patient on terfenadine or estamazole or cisapride, then these will cause prolongation of QT interval. These will cause prolongation of QT interval, thus causes serious polymorphic ventricular tachycardia. Thus this causes serious polymorphic ventricular tachycardia. Now if you see the pharmacokinetics, in the pharmacokinetics these drugs are well absorbed orally. Then erythromycin is mainly excreted by the biliary route, and the drug clarithromycin is excreted by renal and biliary route. Erythromycin is excreted by biliary route, but the drug clarithromycin is excreted by renal and biliary route. Azithromycin is a single day dosing drug. Azithromycin can be given as single day dosing. So this is about the drug macrolides. Thank you for watching.